to a barrel game?
No one said no one ever.
So we are going to do a barrel game to start things off. For those of you that do not know what a barrel game is, your objective is to fight to the opposite end of the town from where you started. There's going to be a barrel standing in the middle of the road. For example, the blue one down there. You fight to the other end of the town, you kick over that barrel, you tackle that barrel, you slide into that barrel and knock it over, and you win the game. It is that simple. You are going to stay inside the confines of the town. You will stay on the first floors of any structure. Second and third are closed. And this is going to be a semi-automatic only game. There will be no respawns, but there will be medics designated at your start points before the game starts. Does anybody have any questions about how this game works or what you're going to be doing? Alrighty, very good. Come up and grab one armband on the bucket that is in front of you, and then head to your start points. The marshals will show you where that is.
You lost. Get your photo on me.
Is that tight enough?
Yep. There you go. You all right? Might be good to get up over there.
Hey, you want to get in the corner right here?
You might not want to be right here near the window.
Look at this, the bullets that are all like sunk into it.
Where's he going?
I guess he's just in there. Hey, come here. I can't move, okay.
Why'd you move all the way over there?
There's no way if I ran out there, I'm gonna get shot.
Nice see.
Unless someone can like drag him.
Guys, somebody has to go for the barrel, okay?
I'll revive it.
I need what?
Battery.
Battery?
Alex, I wonder if that ref's got one up there. Probably not.
26, I'm reviving.
I'll
28,
just throw a grenade at whoever comes.
31.
Kamikaze.
Call ref.
Look at how slow it's shooting.
4, 5,
Wait, could a powerful enough sniper shoot down the barrel?
I'm gonna see if I get that ref.
Alright, y'all good.
Much appreciated, though.
Yes, sir. Of that.
I might do it again. Hey, guys.
Yeah.
Medic.
No.
Hey bro, your mag's over here.
Well, we probably should have covered him while he was doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, your mags are here. Run out in the open.
Yeah, I can't run over there, bro.
Keep.
No, we're gonna be fine.
I think my battery's dying.
On that side.
Let me see if I can.
No, you got great defense. We just need guys to go and knock the barrel down, okay?
So we're on the defense side.
Somebody was really hit right there.
Yeah.
Gotta adjust my hop up again. I messed with it. Nope. Twisted it the wrong way.
Hey, y'all, keep an eye out down there.
Yeah, that's it. Someone really got it.
Got it!
Yeah.
Me over here adjusting my hop up the whole time.
I haven't shot once.
Oh, really?
I could have shot. Wait, would this be qualified as a support?
That is a SMG, son.
So would it be a support?
It would not.
Would not.
Sorry. That's a Springer.
You knocked out some good guys, but not this over.
That Springer is something weak.
Just for luck, bro. Oh, dude, body cam footage.
Oh yeah. Yup. You got a lump right there.
Oh, dude, that's where that guy shot me.
Wow.
It did not feel good.
Good take on it right there, where that is. You hit it?
No, I saw that BD coming there. Watch that thing down over there. One window right there.
You take it. He's over there by Mr. Carrington, you see? Still shooting at us.
Are you hit?
Nope. Lieutenant Connex, if you could pop up from the top and try and get him.
Which I...
Right, you see past Mr. Carrington? Whoa! Ah! It was close, no. He moved around. It is. I think they're flanking around. I don't know.
Around on this side, but we could probably shoot them before they made it.
Yeah. Watch that side of my car here. Hey, I'm gonna try to run to Mr. Carrington.
Alright, I'll cover you.
Hey. 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 Am I clear to run to them?
What'd you say?
Am I clear to go to them? I'm a medic. Can I get to them?
Yeah, I'll give you cover fire.
You medic?
Yep, I'm a medic.
Be careful, man.
Hey.
Let me know. Be careful.
You hear it. There's somebody shooting like full auto through there.
All right. One. No problem. 2. 9.
Hit again.
You hit really? Yeah.
60. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 59, 60.
Awesome, thanks, man.
No problem.
Stay safe.
Yeah.
You get hit?
You got a medic right here. All right. What are we gonna do?
Walsh, you hit? Dang it.
Man, there's someone in there?
Somebody is. He's hit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can get through the window here.
Medic!
Can one of y'all grab him and drag him?
Who?
That guy right there.
I think there's someone
Is it-
right in here.
Somebody right there, yeah.
I'm hearing a lot of medics. Uh-oh. Wallace was a medic. Ah.
Did you see anything around, or you didn't look? He's a medic.
Oh, you good? Yep. You can drag me if you need to. Do you want to get back over there?
Don't know. Do you think it's a good spot?
I traded with him, but there's probably another one in there.
Let me get to this side of you. Okay, I see where one. Scooch over. All right, there you go. Can you bring him to me?
Yep. Can you cover that door?
Hey, we kept the thing from being tipped though. Sorry, I couldn't get back to you. Dude, they
There's
kept,
a guy right there in that corner.
yeah, that's the one I've been shooting at the whole time.
And Mr.
Or they might do a different game.
Right there beside.
What do you think? Does it sound like the battery's about to die?
A little bit.
Because it keeps just cutting out.
I think maybe it is.
Yeah.
On your favorite guns.
Oh yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it
This
shoots
one
really well.
shoots really well. When it,
Like I
when
got
it's
a guy from this tunnel
Yeah.
to where that little porch is.
I've only gone through the battery like twice. It says that do it 4 times for best results.
I wonder if that's what's wrong with it.
Are you serious? Did you get a new battery?
Brand new.
That might be what's wrong with it.
I'll have to try and see.